The Hspdp Youth Wing Central Body held a press conference in Shillong to announce various activities that the youth will be taking up across the state of Meghalaya. It was formally announced that the Youth Wing will start with the construction of a house for an underprivileged family at MAWTHADRAISHAN, which is scheduled to start on the 2nd of February 2022. An essay competition will also be held on the topic DONKAM ne em banyo ya KHASI JAINTIA state, or is there a need for a KHASI JAINTIA state? Further, the Hspdp Youth Wing will also be starting an enrollment drive for those who would like to be part of the party. On the education policy of the state, Rintathyang informed that the party is all set to focus on skill development as a means for young people to secure themselves a bright future.
That the Hspdp will be constructing a 3-room house at Mawle, which falls on the MAWTHADRAISHAN constituency. And before selecting this household, the central body has taken the proposal from the local Darbarshnam along with its headman, and with that recommendation, the central body has taken this initiative of selecting this household, that we will be building a 3-room house at Mawle to that one beneficiary out there. That is number one. Number two, as a youth wing also of the central body, we have taken a decision relating to a competition on essay on the topic Hatu Donkam mo banyo yala ka jong ka KHASI JAINTIA state. This essay will really help a lot regarding the students' community of the state, so that they know whether is it important or not that we need a KHASI JAINTIA state of our own.
While talking about the state's reservation policy, Rintathyang said that it is the desire of the party to get its own state, and when this comes to pass, the reservation policy for the KHASIs and Jaintias will fall into proper place, and it is then that the recruitment to various jobs will no longer be a cause to worry, especially amongst the youth.
It's very important, and we also want the skill development of an individual to be included in the education policy, so that it strengthens our youth to be able to stand on their own feet and generate employment for themselves. That from our body, we will be selecting 2 students from from the state of Meghalaya, who belongs to the weakest section of the society. We will be sponsoring them to be able to go to school, and to, with this we will be moving forward within this academic year. So, PE Hspdp berketukar reservation policy. Ladan di samla nak di samla kulit demi lebih syakbat. Indon pan ong AA kan. Kamrai ni yang baik halor ke nongrim ke baka parti ke jogi ke jan. Pi ke parti ke jogi kadan ya kulit ke nongrim berkata kalau ni dawa ya KHASI JAINTIA state ke jogi. Lada ni layo ya kali ke KHASI JAINTIA state. Ngatrai ke reservation policy. Kalau automatically answer.